Okay, let's look at this homework. Homework number 7, problem number 1. You can see that this is 1/4 of a circle. It's not a complete circle. It's not even half a circle. It's 1/4 of a circle. And the radius of this circle is 16 inch. So the circle, the 1/4 of a circle radius is 16 inch. Inside this circle, there is a square. The square is 8 inch by 8 inch. So he wants to know, locate the centroid of the plane area shown. So he needs to know where is the centroid in this shape. This is a very simple problem. Let's look at this problem. The way we do it here, that we should first of all look at this. We should account for the whole 1/4 circle, take it as one big 1/4 circle, and minus this open space, because this is an open space. This shaded place is solid. This open space is a hole. So I'm going to take it 1/4 of a circle minus this open, because I want to find out the centroid of this 1/4 of a circle minus this open space. So I'll take it like this. 1/4 of a circle, that's 1, minus, since it's an open hole, minus a small circle, number 2. So this small circle is this one here. This square, 8 inch by 8 inch. So this small square is 8 inch by 8 inch, and this is 1/4 of a circle. So, okay, 1. Now, let's take 1. What is the area of a circle? We know that the area of a circle is equal here. Area is equal by r square. So, if you have a circle, and this circle has a radius, the area is by r square. Now, what is the area of 1/4 of a circle? This one by 4. 1/4 of a circle, the area is by over 4 r square. So you can see here, the area of this one, the fourth circle, is by r square over 4. Okay? So we know that the radius was given here. You can look at the problem. It's 16 inch. So it's by 16 inch over 4. It will equal 201.06 inch square. Nice. So now we found the area of this one. Now, if you have a 1/4 of a circle, what is the centroid of this 1/4 of a circle? It is, by definition, you should know it. If you have 1/4 of a circle, the centroid of it, let's say we could call it x bar and y bar. So this is the centroid of 1/4 of a circle here at this point. X bar in the x-axis, it's 4r over 3 pi. R is the radius. And y bar, the distance of the centroid here, is 4r over 3 pi. So if you have 1/4 of a circle, this is the centroid, x bar, y bar. So we're going to go find out x bar and y bar. So x bar, as we said, it's 4r over 3 pi. This is by definition. This is the centroid of 1/4 of a circle. So the radius was given 16. So 4 times 16 over 3 pi, 6.8 inch. And y bar, this is the distance from the y-axis to the centroid. In the y-axis, it's 4 over r, 4 times r over 3 pi. Which mean what? Which mean 4 times 16 over 3 pi, 6.8 inch. Now, we did finish 1/4 of a circle. If you look at this, here, we finished this one. We find the area, and we find the x bar, and we find the y bar. Let's wait. Now, let's find the area of this one. This is a very simple square. It's, as it's mentioned here, in the hole, it's 8 by 8. So it's very simple. So we're going to make it like this. 8 by 8. So the area is what? 8 square. 64 inch square. Now, you want to know the centroid of this square? It's half of 8 and half of 8. So the centroid gonna be almost in the center of the square. So 4 inch from the y and 4 inch from the x. So x bar, or let's call it, this is number 2. X bar is 4 inch and y bar is also 4 inch. Okay, so now we found the area of the first one and x bar, y bar, and we find the area of the second one and we find x bar and y bar for it. So now we want to find out the x centroid of the whole shape. So we should do it like this here. This shape minus this shape. Okay? So xc, the centroid in the x-axis, it is the area 1 times x1 bar minus area 2. Area 2, remember, it's minus x2 bar over a1 minus area 2. This is by definition, that's the way we do it to find the centroid of the whole shape. We're going to put the area 1. We're going to put the x1 bar minus area 2 x2 bar over area 1 minus area 2. You'll get 81.1 inches, which means that this is the distance in the x-axis. That is, for example, if you go for xc 8.1, let's look at the curve. This is 8 inch. So the centroid is somewhere after the 8 inch by 0.1 inch. Now let's look for the y bar. For the y bar, we do the same thing, but when you multiply a1, you multiply it by y1 bar minus a2, y2 bar over area 1 minus area 2. So you do the same calculation, you'll get 8.1 inch, which means that x C bar and YC bar is equal 8.1, 8.1. So the centroid is 8.1, 8.1. So here, let's look at the shape. Where is the centroid? It's 8.1 in the x-axis, 8.1 almost here. And you go all the way, you can see that this is also 8 in the y-axis, 8.1 is here. So the centroid of this shape is here, at this point. We finished from question number 1. Thank you.